Okay, good day guys. So I'll be showing you guys on how you can get a free WordPress website for 1 year free. You can actually modify your WordPress website, do whatever you want to do as a normal WordPress, but it's free. For those who want to go into blog, go into posting and the likes, is free. WordPress free. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up, then input your details and the likes. After you click on the sign up button, it takes you to the dashboard. So it asks you to verify your email. Go to your email and then verify it. But me, I have an account. Okay, and then I'll log in with my account. Okay, so I'm in already. So I actually have a domain here. I have a domain already. So let me come to my domain. So you can see here in my previous video I showed us how we can get free domain from this site. Free domain. So I have my domain here. So if you need the WordPress, so you need to come to add new service, come to website, then click on WordPress hosting. So when you click on it, so what you need to do is to actually write the name of the domain name you want to give to your WordPress. Maybe it's blogger, any name you want to give to your WordPress site, you can just write it. Okay, let me look for a name. Okay, my blog posts. So I'm just giving any name, so you can give any name you want. Okay, so it's available, my blog post.work.gd. then click on this. Okay, so I've gotten it already. So the next thing I would need to do is I need to come to add service, WordPress hosting. Oh, sorry for that. WordPress site, sorry. Yes, so you need to click on, so you can get free WordPress site for 6 months. Then after 6 months, pay only $1.99 per month. So you can get it for free. For first 6 months you can get it for free. So you click on start my WordPress site, then it loads. Okay, so it asks enter the domain name for the WordPress site. So if you have a domain name that you want to use for the WordPress website, you can just enter it here. Maybe you've bought a domain name somewhere else, you can just enter it here. Or it says maybe you may use a temporary domain name, so you can just decide to use a temporary domain name. So I think I created one, my blog posts. Okay, this is the one I created earlier on. Then click on sign up. So you see installing WordPress for my blog posts, and this is actually free for the first 6 months. So you can use to do your testing, or if you want to just try out how WordPress is, you can just use this and it's free. It's free. If you want to make a blog, most times WordPress websites are used for blog and the like, so you can use it for e-commerce also. So let's just wait for it to actually load. So I'm going to pause the video here. It's not going to take long. Okay, I think it has gone through already. Okay, so you can see the temporary website address is this, because this is what we use. So you can actually change it to whatever you want. Maybe you've bought a domain name, like I said earlier on. Maybe you've bought a domain name, you can come here and configure it. So you just need to click on continue. Okay, so we are in already. Let's scroll down. So this is the WordPress. So we just need, let's copy this and paste it here. So you can see WordPress installation. So it's asking for the language you want, so I'll pick English. Continue. Then asking for site title. So the name of this, the title of the site that you want, that you would love to use. any title you can give it to. Is it my blog post? Is it e-commerce? Is it buying and selling? Any title you want to give it to. But I will just use my blog post for just to show you how it works. Just to show you how it works. Samiki. So you use username that you remember, and you use a password that you can remember. So I will just copy this password and I will save the password. I can just pin the password to my clipboard so that when next I need it, I can go and fetch it. And it's asking for my email. Okay, so we don't need this. Then click on install WordPress. Then you wait for a while, let it install the WordPress plugin and the likes. So it has installed successfully. You can see success, your chosen password and your username. Then we can just go ahead and log in. Okay, so it's bringing this error. One of the reasons why it's bringing this error, because it's still actually trying to load the WordPress. It has not fully installed it. So I actually knew that few hours ago. So we just need to wait for at least 15 minutes or thereabouts. Then we'll come back to the site after 15 minutes. Okay, so after a few minutes, so it has actually installed it successfully. Then when I paste the link here, click on my enter key, so you can see it has gone through already. So this is the WordPress website. So what you need to do is to log into the WordPress site. So we need to then add your /wp, that's WordPress /login.php. So it should take us to the login page. Okay, so you can see it's going already. So then the reason why we got that error was that it's actually still installing some modules, some things in the WordPress. So I need to write my details. Okay, I think I saved the password. Wow, I thought I actually pinned the password. Oh, this is not good. I thought I pinned the password. Oh, I thought I pinned the password. I did earlier on. Wow, this is not good. I think, okay, lost your password. Okay, so I can retrieve it. I key. Okay. Okay, so they said an email has been sent to me. So I just need to come to my email. Okay. So here is saying created. So I need an email for reset password. I actually lost the one that I used earlier on. It has not been sent to me. Let me check, maybe it's in my spam folder. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's in my spam folder. So this is it here. Then I just need to come back to my browser, then paste the link. So I forgot it, so that's why it's good to actually store your password in a safe place. So save password. So I've actually copied this one. Okay, Samiki, then paste it. So we are logged in already. Okay, so we can see the interface for the the WordPress. You can come here and edit whatever you want to edit, the likes. You can visit the site, do whatever you want to do. What WordPress will do, this will do it. This is WordPress, so it's actually free, totally free to use, and it's this site that provide it. They provide so many free things as a startup web programmer and so on. If you want to host your site, you can just come here and get something free, so you don't need to actually be adding your card, your PayPal details and the likes. So this place is totally free, so you can just edit what you want to edit, use media, anything you want to use. So this is free and it can be accessed all over the world. So that's how you can create a free WordPress account, a free WordPress website on this site. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe and like this message and like this video. Okay, goodbye.